Are you ready to have your mind? Because today we're diving deep into the Honor Magic 6. This phone isn't just magic, it's a tech revolution. We're talking a display so bright it'll shame the sun, a camera that captures every detail, and power that lets you conquer anything you throw at it. Buckle up, because we're about to unveil everything the Magic 6 has to offer. Is it the next king of smartphones? Let's find out. Number first, a display fit for royalty. Imagine a 6.8-inch display that explodes with color and clarity. The Magic 6 boasts a next-generation HDR OLED panel with a mind-blowing 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and animations buttery smooth. But the real magic trick? A peak brightness of 5,000 nits. That's brighter than most laptops. Say goodbye to squinting in the sun, and hello to stunning visuals wherever you are. Number second, Camera King contender. Honor isn't messing around with the camera system. This phone packs a punch with versatile lenses that capture stunning photos and videos. Whether you're a daytime adventurer or a low-light maestro, the Magic 6 adapts with AI-powered smarts to deliver crisp, detailed shots. Number third, powerhouse performance. Let's face it, a phone is only as good as its brain. The Magic 6 boasts the latest Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 chipset, which translates to effortless multitasking, blazing fast gaming, and the ability to handle anything you throw at it. Plus, with 12 gigabytes of RAM and ample storage options, you'll never experience sluggishness. Number fourth, battery life for champions. Running out of juice at the worst moment is a thing of the past. The Magic 6 boasts a massive 5,600 mAh battery that can easily go a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use. And when it's time to refuel, the phone supports super fast charging, getting you back in the game in no time. Number fifth, innovation at its finest. Honor isn't afraid to push boundaries. The Magic 6 boasts some unique features, like an innovative eye-tracking technology that lets you control things with just your gaze. Think futuristic phone calls. It's a glimpse into the future of smartphone interaction. Number six, aesthetics to match the power. The Magic 6 isn't just powerful, it's gorgeous. The sleek design, available in multiple colors, is a head-turner. Plus, the phone uses a special nano crystal shield that's both luxurious and tough, making it a phone that looks as good as it performs. The final decision. Overall, the Honor Magic 6 is a true flagship phone. It delivers top-tier performance, a phenomenal display, a versatile camera system, and a battery that won't quit. With its innovative features and stunning design, the Magic 6 is a phone that redefines what's possible. It's not just a phone. It's a statement piece for the tech-savvy user who demands the best. However, it's worth checking reviews that mention screen durability and software bloatware before making your final decision. Thanks for joining today. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Beta Tech for more awesome tech content. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out.